called Bird Beaks. Bearded barbet. I am a bearded barbet. I have large thick beak that has pointed parts on the bottom like sharp teeth. Hair like feathers look like a beard on my beak. I live where it is dry in Africa, where I build my nest in the dead tree. I feed on fruit and sometimes on insects. I am a crossbill. I am a crossbill. My beak is crossed like an X, which which help which helps me to pull the seeds out of pine cone. Pine cones grow on trees called conifers, but conifers don't produce good pine cones every year. I travel all over to find pine cones. Instead of living in one place. Rhinoceros hornbill. I am a rhinoceros hornbill. I have a horn on the top of my beak that I use to knock down fruit. I also use my horn to fight and sometimes to attract a mate. I bring food to my mate when she sits on our eggs. If you think my horn looks weird, you should see my eyelashes. I am one of the few birds that have them. Huya. We are Huyas. We lived in New Zealand until we became extinct. I am the male. My beak is thick and strong. I am a female. My beak is thin and curved. Our beaks are so different that for a long time people thought we were completely different types of birds. Sword-bill hummingbird. I am a sword-bill hummingbird. I am a very small bird with a very long beak. I am the only bird with a bill that is longer than my body. I use my long beak to eat an even longer tongue to get nectar from tube-shaped flowers. I can stick my tongue out and pull it back again about 13 times per second. Brown pelican. I am a brown pelican. I have a pouch of skin under my beak that can hold a lot of fish. I hunt in the ocean, diving down from the air. I sometimes steal fish from other birds, but they steal from me too. Gulls even sit on my head and back while they take fish right out of my pouch. Shoebill stork. I am a shoebill stork. My beak is shaped like a shoe with a hook on the end that helps me eat fish. Sometimes I eat frogs and even small crickets. I hunt fish by waiting for one to swim by and then failing out onto it with my mouth open. Spoonbill. I am a spoonbill. I have a long beak that flattens out at the end like a spoon. Because I am white and pink, some people sometimes think I am a flamingo.